welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again for another video. If you are new here, hi, I am MJ and I post lifestyle videos every single Sunday at 1 p.m. Okay, now if it is that you are interested in stretch ears, if it is that you have stretch ears, or if it is that you're on a stretching journey, or you are just curious in general, then this video is also for you, because extra knowledge is always good, right? So as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be talking about stretched ears, specifically funky, smelly stretched ears. Now, if it is that you have stretched ears, you must have experienced this at least one time. It happened to me once and I was like, okay, chief, he called, he said, this ain't it. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to talk about how to avoid or prevent smelly stretched ears. Method I think is the easiest one. I would recommend washing your ears every time you take a shower. I mean, it's part of your body, it's part of your whole routine. You're in the shower anyway, so I would recommend that. Once it is that it's not a fresh stretch and it's fully healed, meaning no irritation, no nothing, it's healed, you can go ahead while you're in the shower, just take your jewelry out. Take it out and just wash your hole. Wow, that might be a little weird. Wash your stretched ears with soap or whatever it is that you're using. Just go ahead and wash it and then put your jewelry back in. Once it is that your jewelry is in, then you can move on to the next ear. Number two, what you are going to need is some sort of cleaner, ear cleaner. I use witch hazel or cotton balls. If it is that you have stretch ears that is bigger than, I want to say 4G or 2G, then you also may need Q-tips. Once it is that it can fit through, because we want to clean that properly, you need some kind of oil. I use vitamin E oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, whatever oil you choose. I get the cotton swab. I take the jewelry out, right? And then I get my witch hazel and I pour it on the cotton swab, and then I get my jewelry and I just clean it. And then what I do, I take my ears and I just wipe it down, back and front. I get my Q-tip, also put witch hazel on that as well, because I want to go inside, because the Q-tip can go inside and I like to clean on the inside. Okay? And once that is done, I'm pretty much done. And then what I like to do is to go in with my vitamin E oil neck. I put the vitamin E oil on my finger. Actually, I just put a couple drops, nothing crazy. Maybe like one drop, to be honest. And then I just like to massage my ears for like 20 seconds. And I just put my jewelry back in. My next stretch will be 00. That is so wild to me. I started off at 14G. If you want to see my whole stretching journey, I will go ahead and link that playlist right here. So if you want to see me clean my very messy room, then go ahead and watch that video. That is right here as well. And I will see you in the next video.